Hey guys, it's Jules. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So I showed you my closet, but I really didn't show you, I guess, like the baskets that I put in. So these are them. I had them in my dorm. I had this white one with some white fabric inside, a little gold one for some notebooks, jewelry, gum, portable charger. This one is from either Target or IKEA. And then this one again, they were all brown, these two, and then my mom painted them. And then like I showed you this. Nice and neat. And these are going to be in a different video from thrifting, so I'll leave that there. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this real quick because I realized I didn't show you the baskets because I put them in a day after, and that's when I uploaded the video, but I used it for the thumbnail, so just wanted to show you that. But while I'm here, gotta pick out an outfit for today because I'm going to IKEA and I'm baking a little bit, so we're gonna see what I want to wear. I don't even know the weather because I don't even know where my phone is, but this tank top, these pants I got thrifting last year. They're Gucci jeans. They're really beautiful, and the pants are like bootleg cut. I don't know if you can really see that well, but these are them. They're super cute. And now I just need to put on my shirt, and I'll show you my baking for today. Okay, so these are the cookies that I made. They're just Reese's cookies with little Hershey Kisses. This is the recipe. And these are my things that are already done. My little gifts that I'm giving to my family. They're just the cookies in this jar. And this jar is from Target. It's in the dollar section. It was just $3, but it is so beautiful, this jar. And then I'm just gonna put this little twine, baker's twine, around it, like I did for this one. This one has some cookies from Trader Joe's in the bottom. They're just little mint star cookies, and then what I baked on top, and this little baker twine. And this jar is from TJ Maxx. I got a set of 3, and the other 2 are going to my cousins with a bunch of the little star cookies because it's going to their parents, and then the star cookies with like a little present inside is going to them. But this is for my boyfriend, and I think it's super cute. And then in this one, I'm going to be putting oatmeal raisin cookies for my grandpa because that is his favorite, and I just want to give everyone cookies that I know that they would love. I know that my aunt and uncle love like peanut butter, and like they love this kind of thing, and I know that my boyfriend would honestly just eat whatever. And my grandpa loves oatmeal raisin, so I have the oatmeal raisin dough right here. I made it last night. These beautiful cookies into these little boxes that I got from Michael's. I'll show you the container. And they're just favor boxes for like little candies, and they have hearts on them. Super cute. I don't really know who these are going to. They might go to like the front desk person or like the people out downstairs in my lobby that are always super sweet to my family and I. So I just stick them in. The bottom you have to kind of like build, and then I put tape over because you never know if it's going to be sturdy enough. And then you have to fold everything in order for it to actually stay in the shape. But I built these a little bit before, and there you go. How cute is that? I made this one already, and I taped the top because my mom wanted me to have it secure.
Hip-hop is a way of life, a way of thinking.
Alright, and now I'm just going to put the twine around this one. Perfect. I have a red scissors to match my aesthetic. I'm just going to unravel a lot of twine because I wanted to wrap it around a couple of times. I think it'd be cute like that. So all I do when I do this is I find the middle. Find the middle, put it in the back of just can't tie this bow. This is my final product. I believe it is super, super cute. That was my baking journey, what I'm making as Christmas presents to people. I think it's super, super cute and it's super easy. You could make it at home. You could definitely make it in a dorm. You just need to get a cookie mix, which you can just get like a bag mix of cookie. Just get some kisses, or you can make whatever kind of cookies people like. You can make it in a dorm and then just stick it in a jar that you get at like Target, Walmart, Dollar Store, whatever. And it's a super easy, cute gift showing that you care if you make their favorite cookie and you give it to your family or friends. It's super inexpensive and quick, so I recommend making it for people. See you a little bit later when I go to IKEA and do something else. Okay, I just want to show you another super inexpensive holiday gift or like birthday gift. I got these frames from IKEA. I just took the plastic off this one. These are how much? $2.99? These are 99 cents? Okay, these are 99 cents. They have all different sizes that are super inexpensive. And all I did was get these Polaroid pictures of my brother and stick it on this marble paper that we got from like Michael's. But you could obviously just get any colored paper or just white paper and just Sharpie it and make it cute, make a cute design. Put your pictures, either Polaroids or pictures that you print out at Target, or I think Walgreens prints out pictures, but I know Target is very, very inexpensive. That's what I did for a bunch of my pictures that I put in frames. Pretty self-explanatory, but this is for my brother, so I wanted to just go with black frames because if it was for myself, I would do white frames, but more masculine, so I do black. What is this? Okay, well, I thought that was something clear for it. And all I'm doing is just grabbing the picture, super easy. And then I'm going to, I need to get a white piece of paper so that I can put it on the white paper and put it in here. And then you put the back on it and it's just like a cardboard piece. And wait for it. There you go. It's like super cute. I just need to get white paper to put in the back, but it's just a cute little frame that you put Polaroids of them. I just had these of my brother hanging around my house and I kind of wanted to clear up where I had pictures, so I just put them on these. So I'm just gonna get white paper, put it in the background, and then it's a super cute, inexpensive gift that probably costs less than $5. So that's another great holiday gift for you.
What is it that you wish? What is it that you want? You're very insecure, aren't you? To become secure, I have to have